Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make instant chicken curry. This chicken curry is delicious with the Indian masala. So you can make this delicious chicken curry under 15 minutes. All you need a few ingredients and you can have a delicious chicken curry on your table. Food is God gift. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. So friends, you need a 500-gram chicken. So you can have a chicken with the meat and the bone. So today I have a chicken thighs. I cut to small pieces. Potatoes, ginger garlic paste, chopped garlic, water, tomato, crushed tomato, coconut milk, curry leaves, whole garam masala, onion, and then curry powder about 2 tablespoons. So friends, I just marinate some turmeric powder and salt. So today I'm using an instant pot. So I add about 1 to 2 tablespoon oil, and once the oil is hot, I'm going to add that whole garam masala. So let it all that splattering. Once it starts splattering, we're going to add the curry leaves, and smells so good, friends. And I'm just added chopped onion. So we're going to saute onion about 1 to 2 minutes. So saute onion is important because this is only ingredient we're going to give a nice saute. Now I'm adding a salt. So friends, watch your salt amount because we just use to marinate the chicken before we start this making this chicken curry. So friends, we just wait until the onion nice and brown. Now you can see it's really translucent. Now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste and about 5 garlic I chopped earlier. So friends, I like my curry little bit garlic flavor, so it's optional. You always can or not, it's your choice, friends. So I just give a nice saute. Now I'm going to add that curry powder and the chicken that we marinate with the turmeric powder. So friends, curry powder, you always can use the homemade curry powder or store-bought curry powder. You can use any brand. It's pretty much have a same ingredient, and you can always use about 2 tablespoons. So friends, I'm going to leave the detail in the description below about the measurement for the curry powder that you can make it homemade. So friends, I just added sliced tomato in this point and give a nice stir. So let it all mix and combine together. So friend, let it saute about 1 minute. Now we're going to add that green chilies. Green chilies is optional. It's depend how much heat you like. You like more, you can add more. So you can adjust this heat. Now I'm adding that cube potatoes. So I cut all the potatoes in same size so it will cook in the same time. So I'm just now added the crushed tomato. The crushed tomato give nice thickness to our chicken curry. It's give nice gravy to chicken curry. So this chicken curry going to be nice and thick, consistent. So I'm just add about 1/4 cup of coconut milk. I use that canned coconut milk. Now I just add the water. So the water level should be cover up all that ingredient. So you always can add more water if you like more gravy on your chicken curry. So I just spread it and I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to start the pressure cooker. I just lock the pressure and going to cook for 10 minutes, friends. So if you use the boneless chicken, it's going to be very fast, under 7 minutes. Because we are using today is with the bone, so it should take 10 minutes to cook fully. I just release the pressure. It's 10 minutes over. So I just open the lid. Look at this, friends. The curry is so good, smells so delicious. And it's now, look at this, it's right Consider the potato is cooked. I just mash it one to show you the all cooked so well and soft. Now I just add that chopped coriander leaf, and now it's ready to serve and give a nice taste. To make sure the salt is good, we can adjust the salt in this time. It's perfect, friends. It tastes so yummy. So the chicken is so tender. Look at that. It's just going to fall apart from the bone. Today I have a idli and this delicious chicken curry. Smells so good. The whole house smells chicken curry. It's so yummy, friends. So look at this. You can serve this delicious chicken curry for paratha, chapati, dosa, idli and steamed rice. So friends, this instant chicken curry is ready to serve. You only need 50 minutes to make this delicious homemade chicken curry, and it's so good with all your favorite main dishes. So friends, please try this recipe and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for watching and you have a wonderful day.